Well, as I was saying, the updates are coming out quicker than I can make videos on the subject, but you can now download an Android app that is in the alpha phase. I'll put a link in the video description, which will give you the video out to an Android device from the DJI FPV goggles V1 or V2. These are the V1s. I'm powering it off a 4S LiPo, and I am using a USB Type-C cable to a USB Type-C adapter, but an on-the-go cable will work as well. I've got my Nazgul 5 here. This is the iFlight model, and I've got auto temp control turned off. I'm going to plug the USB Type-C into the phone. The app is called DigiView. So if I plug this into the phone, the app will automatically recognize the USB-C input, and there we go. We have got the video out. Now it takes a while for it to pick it up, but there we go. And the latency is really good. As I say, I think they've got it to 100 milliseconds. This is just superb. Amazing work from these guys. Please support them. We are just a few hours from them figuring this out, and already we have an Android app. Absolutely superb.